So you want to make a children's activity book and you don't know where to start, and how does one start with making a book? So I've got some notes that I've compiled here in heading format so that I can just refer to it so I don't get well. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is choose the target age group. When it comes to children's activity books, which child do you have in mind? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Is it 3 to 6? Is it 6 to 9? Is it 9 to 12? What age group are you choosing? The second thing you want to decide is what type of activity book. Is it maths? Is it English? Is it puzzle work? Is it tracing? Like, what kind of activity book are you actually looking to make for the children? And that essentially is also going to help you with your keyword research, and it's also going to help you with your cover page. It's also going to help you with the amount of pages that you need inside your book and to market to your specific target audience. Okay, then step number 3 is to research what parents are buying. Remember, as much as you have the child in mind, you know that the parents are the ones buying it, or the grandparents, or a super bonus, schools. That is when you want multiple sales from one book. Okay, so who is buying it and what is that person looking at? So think of yourself here. If you're buying an activity book for your child, or what are you looking at? You're looking at the cover, you're looking at the price, you're looking at the quality that you're getting, you're looking at the quantity that you're getting, and you're looking at skills that they're going to obtain thereafter. Then that was number 3. Number 4, plan your book's theme and content. Like I just mentioned, you want to make sure that you are marketing to the person who's buying it, because what is inside your book? What is the child going to benefit from thereafter? Purchasing your book. Is it an activity book for holidays? Is it for schoolwork? Is it for a grade art student? Is it for somebody who's learning how to write? What kind of activity book is it? And that's essentially going to answer the question on your book's theme and the content that you have. Step number 5 is design the interior pages. Make sure that you have done research on the book that you're doing, because you want to plan your interior pages in your niche. How many pages does a book have? Is it between 50 and 60? Is it between 90 and 100? You are looking at your competitor as somebody who's doing something successful, and you're going to mimic that exact same thing. You don't have to start from scratch. Success always leaves a trail, guys. Then you are going to, step number 6, create a professional cover. Make it look professional, guys. And guess what? AI is here now, and it is able to help us do it so much better and so much faster as well. Step number 7, when I started, there was no AI to help me with the cover. I had to do everything from scratch. So now that I have AI, I am utilizing it, and there is a section in Amazon KDP where they do ask you if you use AI. Please be truthful about that. I know some people frown upon using AI. That's your beef. That's got nothing to do with me. Then we are on step number 7. You're going to format your book for Amazon KDP. There are rules. What is your size? How many pages do you have? Is it left to right? All of those. Is it glossy cover? Is there bleed or no bleed? What is your book looking like? And then step number 8 is you're going to upload your book to Amazon KDP. Step number 9 is you're going to add your title, keywords, and categories from the niches that you have studied in that category. And then step number 10, you're going to set your price and publish your book. And step number 11, continue learning and improving with every single book that you make. I know that was a lot, but that is exactly how you start with making an Amazon KDP book. And I will go into more detail about this when I do finish off my course, and you guys can join. If you have any other questions for now, drop them in the comment section. I will answer them, and don't say I didn't plug you.